How to create a channel in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a new channel on your WhatsApp, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After that, in the bottom, you can see four options like chats, updates, communities, and calls. Go to the option updates. Then, in the top right corner, you'll see the three dot option. Click on it. Then go to the option create channel. After you do that, click on continue. Then give a name to your channel. Then click on create channel. And there you go. You have successfully created your channel. Now you can either write an update over here, you can add the description, share your channel link, or share your status. Now, if you go to the three dot option, you will get channels info, channel settings, and in channel settings you can set the emojis, reactions, and other things. If you click on this button, you can see all the information about your channel's link. So this is how you can create a channel on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.